Oh, good evening, good morning, whatever time you're watching this video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I've not been able to make a video for a very long time because the bike has been blown up, and now here we are riding it back. It's been rebuilt. I did not rebuild this, but we had a guy, a very nice gent indeed, help me fix this bike up, which was amazing. Now it only has a little rattle noise, but that might be the tensioner. We thought it was a timing chain, but I don't know. We did the timing chain, we made sure it was timed right, we did everything like that, and it's still got this ticking noise, so I'm hoping that it's just a tensioner. We have one ordered, it should come within the next few days, hopefully. We'll fit it in, and if it's still a rattle, we might honestly have to get a new engine or take it all apart again and see what's up. It is the perfect day for riding. Well, it was anyway. It was really sunny earlier, and now it's not really that great, but it's very warm. I think we're in like 22, 23 degrees right now here in the UK, which is exceptionally high because we're usually used to about 10 degrees, so it's very nice. I'm not trying to set my bike too hard because obviously if it is a tensioner, I don't want to risk my timing chain slipping. Oh, but do I have some exciting news to come up for you guys, which I will not mention today's video, but it gives an idea. At the end of July, we have our Mod 1 test, which we should hopefully pass. And then we've got our Mod 2 in August. And hopefully, in August, we'll have our A2. And hopefully, the insurance won't be too high because, you know, it's a ZX4R that we're going to try and insure. And that is going to be an awful, awful insurance quote. They're going to bend me over further than I've ever been bent before. Because, you know, I like it up there. I'm joking, of course. Ugh. But the bike sounds different too. Ever since the rebuild, it sounds like it's got a bassier feeling to it. It's not exceptionally deeper than it was originally, but it's just, you can feel it. I don't know if it feels more sluggish. I mean, I'm not full throttling just because I don't want the revs to be too high, but it gives you an idea where I'm going. I'm going about 7k RPM max, because remember it is a fresh rebuild too, and usually you're meant to let them settle in, like wear them in, just like as if it was a new engine. So ideally you want to do at least about 500 miles, I'd say, even more maybe, just before you start sending it on a rebuilt engine. But am I going to listen to that? Probably not. Will the bike blow up again? Absolutely. Will I complain? yeah, but you know, it is what it is. I don't know if you guys can hear it on the camera, but it is ticking quite badly at the front. And I did do the valves as well. The valves were sorted, they're all being the perfect clearance. That's why I think it is the tensioner causing that rattle. And when we ride, the rattling goes away pretty much. Oh, you could have got that little schmuck. There's an old person in the car, so it explains a lot. Oh, but I'm sweaty. I've got joggers underneath my trousers. I've got another jumper underneath this jumper. So yeah, I'm sorry I've been slacking on the videos. I generally can't make a video without a bike. Like, my whole channel is based on motorbikes, and if my ZX4R can't ride yet and my R125 blows up, then it's a catastrophe. I am looking to hopefully rebuild a bigger bike though. I'm trying to look for an R7 or an R6 crash damaged off Copart, but it's also about getting it to me as well, because delivery on Copart is so expensive. I see why people get, you know, these trailers for it now, because Jesus Christ, I tried checking how much it would be to deliver this crash damaged R1, and it was like £800, something ridiculous like that, and I was only going to bid £1,000 on it. So yeah, it's kind of ratted, if you'd say, but honestly it feels so great being back on the bike. Like, I just need to be careful. And on the first night I rode this bike, after it being rebuilt, I got pulled over by police already. They were just checking if I'd pull over because there was a lot of bike thieves that night, and I was doing like 25 mile an hour in a 20. So they just told me just to slow down a little bit and mainly check if I was going to stop. Ooh, oh, your boy's thirsty though. I need a drink, really. Ideally, I need a drink. And yeah, my guy's first partnership, which I'm not going to say yet, but I've got a partnership with a company. That should be in the next video. When we talk about the real cost of running one of these, because I believe not a lot of people know what they're getting into when buying an R125. Like, it's not necessarily bad, but there's those things you want to look out for. Because now I'm owner of this for like almost 2 years now. I know the ins and outs of the bikes. I've had to rebuild it twice. I know all the costs it's going to cost you. So I'm going to make a video on it, hopefully help you guys. And I got a lot of questions about height especially. So obviously that will be also mentioned in the next video. Ooh, slow down right here. And that will also resolve to R125 essentially. Like, yeah, the R125, I'll tell the cost about it, but it will be similar to any other 125 because they're all realistically the same. All the prices for the parts and stuff are the same. Your boy also has moved out. Like, I've actually finally moved out. I live on my own now. It feels great. and I'm trying to change the address on my license, but it's not letting me for some reason, so I need to keep retrying it. I only tried once, like. I need some music. Oh my god, it's getting winded here. Close my visor down completely. I don't care where, just far away. Oh, it stinks. It actually stinks. Oh, serious people must definitely be here right now. Holy crap, man. I was also in Leicester the other day. My girlfriend treated me to a little planetarium, it's called, the National Space Station Museum, and it was honestly great. I loved it. I love my girlfriend very much for that. Complete surprise. I didn't actually know where I was going. Usually I can guess like where we're gonna go, but I couldn't tell with this one. And then I realized when we were in Leicester, I was like, Matt Armstrong lives here. Let's see if I'm gonna meet Matt Armstrong. But obviously I never saw him. Boom, boom. Imagine cycling. Nah, I'm joking. Also, I have quit my job, guys. Oh my god, I know. I've quit my factory job, so your boy never works in a factory. The reason why I've quit my job as well is because, one thing, I want to focus on this channel more. And with me doing 12-hour shifts, 4 days on, 4 days off, it was just making me too tired on my 4 days off. The 12 hours was not giving me enough time to actually get anything planned, anything sorted. So I've decided I've quit my job. I'm now going to do Uber Eats in my spare time, so I can stop and start whenever I want. So yeah, I am going to get less money, but I'm going to invest in the channel more, and that's the whole idea, because the channel is what I want to work. I really do care about this channel. Dancing Queen's on, you can dance. I don't actually know where I'm going. I just wanted to go for a ride out. I didn't actually have a video planned or anything, so I'm just gonna freeball on it right now, guys. But yeah, man, see back bean, sing that queen. Obviously the sticker is AI generated on, but I do have these stickers in person, and I might be selling them soon, guys. If you like the sticker and you want a Nathan Rebuild sticker, hit me up. And if you are somehow already enjoying the video and want to see more videos like this, follow my Instagram. QR code will be on screen or link in description. You'll see more updates on my ZX4R, my A2 license. The car did flash me as well for police, so I wonder where they are. And with the ZX6R video, guys, just remember, that wasn't me riding the bike. And to the person who was, the reason why the bike looks slow is because it's still in its braking period. That's what I kept trying to tell people. The bike was still in its braking period, so it was short shifting and wasn't full throttling either. So can you guys stop messaging me saying how slow the ZX6R was? Because it's not a slow bike at all. Alright, yeah, there's definitely cops down there. I respect people who flash her. Oh, I think I see him. Hit that queen, oh, she dancing teen. Oh, look at that speed camera right there. Trying to catch us out. Little schmuck. Peace. A beast and a beast camera. God, hopefully they don't molest me. Oh, what's wrong with this Tesla guy? Why did he go so much to the side like that? Bro, is he asleep on the wheel? Ships are meant to fly, can't touch the outer sky. Oh man, it's so warm. I'm actually almost sweating. Okay, now Tesla can just send it. Yahoo! We are Alabama, are entombed by Deftones. This is probably one of the peakiest songs you can listen to. I think this is the most sensible ride I've taken. I also want to say, rest in peace. I think the guy's name was Timmy. He was the Truckers owner, basically a bike cafe in Bridlington. He sadly passed away like 2 weeks ago, and there was a massive ride out for him, but I didn't have my bike running, so I couldn't go for it. But massive rest in peace to him. Hope everyone, all friends and family, are okay. And there was also a bike ride out for this girl with, I believe, brain cancer. She's like 4 years old. I really wish the best of luck to her and her family. I'm sorry I couldn't join that ride out. But yeah, life's a bitch, man. Life is a bitch. And it was also, oh, what the, that's a speck and a half. It was also my mother's birthday last month. She would have been 41, but unfortunately she's no longer with us, so rest in peace to mother. She died of cancer. So yeah, cancer's a bitch. Not one day goes without thinking about her. But yeah, we move forward, guys. And we ride bikes. Getting overtaken by a Mini. Oh my god, and a Hyundai. But we're not sending it, we're just cruising. Oh, we're already in 6th gear. Alright. Let's get some fuel, let's get a drink. Where do we want to park? What side? We'll go next to the RS. Oh, Jesus Christ. And this sale is for 8 litres. Oh, it's not too bad, 13.65. It's not too shabby at all. Cheers, thank you. What does your boy want? Get a pipeline much monster, jeez. We are 6, 7. Cheers, thank you.
Thank you.
What was that bitch looking at? Ah! I have a girlfriend. That dumb bitch. Man has a girlfriend, bro. Get the fuck away from me. Don't ever look at me again. Stupid ass womans. Alright, we've got our pipeline munch monster, which I've kind of gotten off on a little bit. Like, I'm not really enjoying them too much, but for a day like this, I definitely fancy one. Let's see our lean angle. Bow, bow, bow. Oh yeah, the bike's liking this fuel. Oh, she's happy now. Oh yeah. Boom, bang, you make my heart go, so good for me, so good for me. Oh god, it's windier. Why is it windier? Alright, A6, I get it now. Meow, meow, meow. There's nothing about meow meow with this bike. Alright, we've had our monster break. We are now going to put SoundCloud on to listen to our edit audios. Type sheet, and yeah, we'll try and send it a little bit faster on the way home. Oh, I've made a little Instagram story as well. Remember guys, if you want to check that out, link is in the description or QR code on screen. And if you guys are enjoying the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as it helps me out very much. And I try my best to post every week, but recently we've been posting every 2 weeks just because of my circumstances, moving out, getting this bike fixed, getting my A2 sorted. But now we should be able to keep the videos going as long as this bike doesn't blow up. And yeah, let's get back right into it. Oh, do you ever like ride legally, but it just feels like you're riding illegally? Like no matter what I do, no matter how legal I act, I feel like I'm riding illegally. I don't know why. It's just that sense, like even if a cop goes behind me, like right now, I feel like I get pulled over because that's what they do, realistically. Well, now I technically would be riding almost illegally. Yeah, oh my god, there's a lot of bikes. Please don't tell me bikers have gone on a ride without me. So we are just cruising at 60, like... It feels so slow though, like this is like the slowest 60 mile an hour I've ever experienced. Oh, this I can't speak. This next 4 hours is gonna feel amazing once I can ride it. Oh, it smells like fish! Whose grandma opened their little curtains, should we say. Honestly, I've gotten used to this X4R on private roads that I forgot how slow R125 is. Oh my god, go, 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 go. Go. Can't overtake a corner though. That'd be too stupid. Alright, let's see if this actually wash works. And there is one that takes cards. Does it take cards? I think it does. Alright, let's give her a clean. Look at this child, look at this bird poop and everything. She's not gonna get very clean without a sponge, but we'll do our best. They're gonna work. Approved. Nice one. I'm not a broke bitch. Not yet. I would keep the plate nice and dirty, but you know, we're good boys. I'm gonna get too close because I don't want to ruin the paint, but we are gonna get new fairing kit for this bike anyway. Okay, can we please get our soap? There we are. Come on, you can do it. If I call it a good boy, will it come out more? Good boy. This is where my money's going, is it? It's so nice to get super foam. Look at that. There we are. There we are. Just had to turn it on a bit more. Hang on, let me just like jork it. Boom, boom. Look at that. Oh, now he's coming. Phew. How clean does she look now? Oh yeah, first clean since she's been rebuilt. First clean in like 3 months, by the way. She looks sensational. Forgot about that, my ass is gonna be soaked again. Oh shit, well that's stupid of me. Oh, my ass is wet, my hands are wet. Oh god, it's so good. Pretty lubed up for anyone who wants to. I'm joking. I'm joking, guys. I do not want to be touched up the ass. Oh, do I? Someone give me their feet, for real. Sucking those toes. Give me those toes, boy. Oh, something's in my eye again. When there's something not in my eyes at this point. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I just wanted to go for a ride out and see what would happen. Nothing crazy happened, nothing interesting. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Next videos will be more interesting. If you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. And remember to follow my Instagram for more updates. And if you guys got any questions, just ask me on Instagram, hit me with a DM. I reply to everyone as soon as I can, so don't be scared to give me a shout. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, and peace. Boom.